Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we will study about the properties of quadrilaters. Now, what are quadrilaters? Quadrilater is a type of polygon which has four sides. Now, what are the polygons? Let's study about it first. Now, polygons are simple closed curves. These are simple closed curves bounded by three or more line segments. A curve which is closed and is has three or more line segments are called as polygon. Two line segments can't make a polygon and one line segment can't make polygon because it can't be closed. Only three line segment can close. With the three line segments we can make a triangle, and triangle is the polygon with least possible segments. Okay. Now next came polygons are of two type, regular and irregular polygons. Now, what are regular polygons? A regular polygons are which has equal sides and equiangular, like isosceles triangle, which has equal sides and equal angles. This is a regular polygon, and we can also say square is a regular polygon because all sides of the square are equal and all angles of the squares are of 90 degree. We will study it in further. And what are irregular polygons? Irregular polygons are which whose sides are not equal and whose angles may or may not be equal, like in a trapezium, quadrilateral, and kite and rectangle. These are irregular polygons. So next came the definition of quadrilateral. A polygon with four sides and four vertices is known as quadrilateral. Okay. So we can say quadrilateral is a polygon which has four sides and four vertices. Let's talk about the quadrilateral now. Now here comes the quadrilateral. There are six types of quadrilaterals. First is trapezium, parallelogram, kite, rhombus, rectangle, and square. Further, trapezium is divided into two categories, isosceles and trapezium. One is isosceles trapezium and other is simple trapezium. Let's talk about them. First came what is trapezium. A trapezium is a polygon which has four sides. These have four sides A, B, C, D. Okay, it has one pair of parallel sides. It has one pair of parallel sides like AD and BC, and two non-parallel sides AD and DC are non-parallel sides. So one pair is parallel AD and BC, and one pair is non-parallel, that is AB and DC. Next point is the angles on non-parallel sides are supplementary, means angle A and angle B are supplementary. It means the sum of the angle A and angle B is 180 degree. And the parallel sides are known as bases AD and BC. These are parallel sides and these are called as bases. This is a simple trapezium. Now let's talk about the isosceles trapezium. What is isosceles trapezium? In isosceles trapezium, the non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides, which are non-parallel sides AB and DC. AB and DC are non-parallel sides, so they become equal. And one pair of opposite side is parallel, as same as in trapezium. AD is parallel to BC, and adjacent angles along the non-parallel sides are supplementary. That angle A and angle B, the sum of both will be 180, and similarly angle D and angle C are supplementary. The sum of angle D and C is 180 degree. Now here comes another point. The base angles along the parallel sides are equal. Means angle A and angle D are both are equal. And similarly angle B and C will be equal. Okay. And in this trapezium, the diagonals are also equal. Diagonals AC is equal to BD. Okay, this becomes the isosceles triangle. Sorry, isosceles trapezium. Next came the kite. In kite, the two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Two pairs AB is equal to AD, and two distinct sides means BC and DC are equal. AB is not equal to BC and AD is not equal to DC. We can't say it. It can be, but if it can be, it can will become a rhombus. And their diagonals intersect each other at 90 degree, or we can say at a right angle. This diagonals AC and BD diagonal at the point O, which makes a right angle or 90-degree angle here. The longest diagonal is AC. This bisects the angle A and angle C. It means angle A is divided into two equal parts and angle C is divided into two equal parts. Then next came the parallelogram. In this figure, PQRS is a parallelogram. The two opposite sides are parallel. Here, the two opposite sides PQ is parallel to RS, PR is parallel to QS. This is the difference between parallelogram and trapezium. In parallelogram, two pairs are opposite. In trapezium, only one pair is parallel. The both pair of opposite sides are equal, means PQ is equal to RS, PQ is equal to RS, and PRS is equal to QS. Both pair, it is written both pair of opposite sides are equal. Opposite angles are equal. It means angle P is equal to angle S, angle Q is equal to angle R. And adjacent angles are supplementary. Means angle P plus R is 180 degree. Same as in trapezium. Next came the rectangle. In rectangle, every angle is right angle. It means that angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle D is equal to angle C. And every angle is of 90 degree. Okay. Then next point is each opposite side is equal and parallel. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Diagonals are equal and they bisect each other. Diagonal AD is equal to BC and opposite sides are equal and the diagonal bisect each other. Bisect each other means AO is equal to OD and CO is equal to OB. Okay. Next came the rhombus. In the rhombus, all the sides are equal. Means PQ is equal to QR, PS equals to SR. Means all the sides are equal. In kite, we have adjacent sides equal only, but in rhombus, all the sides are equal. Both pair of opposite sides are parallel. PQ is parallel to SR, Q is R is parallel to PS. Opposite angles are equal. Angle P is equal to angle R, angle Q is equal to angle S. And diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. These diagonals bisect at the point O, which makes a 90 degree angle. Okay, this is the rhombus. Then came the square. In square, all sides are equal, as you know. Square can be rhombus whose all angles are right angle. Square को हम rhombus भी कह सकते हैं. We can call it as rhombus whose angles are right angle triangle. Diagonals are equal and diagonals bisect each other at point O 90 degree. So this is the video regarding the properties of quadrilaterals. In next video, we will study about the formulas related to quadrilaterals and many more. Thanks.